Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best summer wreath on Amazon, the JINGHONG Eucalyptus wreath for front door. It's a 20-inch green masterpiece designed for year-round use, and we're diving into every detail so you know exactly what you're getting before you buy. Right out of the box, the JINGHONG Eucalyptus wreath makes an impression. It's handcrafted and absolutely lush. You'll immediately notice the rich green tones of the artificial eucalyptus leaves. They're made of high-quality silk and look surprisingly natural. Scattered among the leaves are big green berries, giving the wreath a realistic, fuller appearance. There's a balance of texture and color that gives your front door or wall an instant refresh, especially during spring and summer. The wreath arrives slightly compressed for packaging, so you'll need to fluff it out following the included video tutorial. Once expanded, the 20-inch diameter really shows its full presence. Now let's talk quality. This wreath uses a combination of silk, foam, and iron. The eucalyptus leaves are silk, which means they're soft to the touch and won't fray or fall apart. The berries are made of foam. They're lightweight, firmly attached, and won't rot or decay like natural elements. The backing frame is iron, giving the wreath good structure and making it easy to mount on doors, walls, or even over a window or fireplace. Because it's made from artificial materials, there's no need for watering or special care. Just a quick wipe with a dry cloth is all you'll need to keep it looking fresh season after season. What's great about this wreath is that it's not limited to just one season. While it pops during spring and summer with its lively greens, the design is neutral enough that it transitions beautifully into fall and even winter. Want to make it festive for Christmas? Add a red ribbon or a few ornaments. Want a fall touch? Insert some mini pumpkins or orange accents. Its adaptable design makes it easy to customize for any occasion or holiday. At 20 inches, this wreath is an ideal size for most standard doors, but it also works great indoors. You can hang it in your entryway, above the mantel, or even as a centerpiece on a wall gallery. Its round shape and subtle fullness give it a balanced, elegant look without overwhelming the space. Mounting it is straightforward. It's lightweight at just over 11 ounces, so standard hooks or command strips will do the trick. As for durability, the wreath holds up well indoors and in covered outdoor areas. You'll want to avoid direct rain or harsh sun for extended periods, which can fade the color over time. For storage, place it back in a box or hang it in a closet when not in use. With basic care, this wreath should last you for multiple seasons. JINGHONG also offers a quality guarantee, so if anything is off with your product, they're quick to respond and resolve issues. So is the JINGHONG Eucalyptus wreath worth it? Absolutely. It's beautiful, versatile, and durable, and it brings a fresh, natural feel to your home without any of the upkeep of real plants. If you're decorating for the season or looking for that all-year-round accent, this is a product that truly delivers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new review. See you next time.